Hello everyone, this is Drake, and here in the title I'm going to be showing you how to use GitHub Desktop. I'm going to be using Mac, but you can use Windows or whatever you want. So first of all, go to the link in the description or go to desktop.github.com and then click the button here. For me it says download for Mac OS. And when it finishes downloading, just go ahead and click it. And then it will start extracting, and we're just going to have to wait for this to finish extracting. So now it's finished downloading. All you have to do is go ahead and double click it, and it should start opening the GitHub Desktop. And it might give you some type of confirmation. For me, it gives me a confirmation because I'm on a MacBook computer. I'm just gonna press open. It should look exactly like this, and I've already linked this to my account, but for you, it might send you to Google to link it to your account, so you just have to put your password in. What I'm gonna do is press create a new repository on my hard drive, and then something like this should pop up. I'm gonna call this tutorial repository, or just tutorial repo, and then I'll name this tutorial. And now I'm going to press create repository. Once it creates, something like this should pop up. And in order to actually initialize the repository that we just made, we need to come over here and press create or publish repository, and then press publish repository again. Now it's publishing the branch, and there we go. Now we can press this button over here that says view on GitHub, and we can actually see our GitHub testing repository that we just made over here. So if we want to make a change, what we want to do is press show in Finder or show in whatever it's called for you. For me, it's Finder, and we see the repo that we just made. So whatever we put into this, it will be synced over to GitHub. So just to show you what I mean, I'm going to create a new text edit, and then I'm just going to put some random text in here. So let me press new document, and I'm going to put testing test, and I'm going to save this over here. And to get to this, I'm just going to go to documents and go to GitHub and then tutorial repo, and I'll press save and save again. And now we have a thing in here called Untitled. I'm going to rename this to test. So now I'm going to go to my GitHub Desktop, and it shows me this. The reason why it shows me all of this is because it's an RTF file instead of a TXT file. So it has all this color stuff. But yeah, this is my message right here, test. And if I just press commit to main, then I press push origin. As you can see, it's working on it, and it just pushed. So if we press view on GitHub now, we can see that we have a new file in here called test.rtf. So everything is successfully pushed over to GitHub. And yeah, also if you want to create a new repository, come up here to the top left and then press add, and then you can press create new repository, and that will allow you to create a new repository. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that you're going to need to know about the GitHub Desktop. If you have any questions or any video suggestions or things you might need help with, tell me in the comment section down below. I'm going to make a video about it. And yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was helpful, leave a like. If it was not helpful, leave a dislike, and we will see you in the next one.